Today we're going to learn how to multiply fractions by fractions. First of all, let's review. What is a fraction? We know that a fraction represents part of a whole. In this picture, you can see that we have a grid broken into 8 equal pieces, which gives us our denominator of 8. Of those 8 pieces, 7 of them are shaded in, which gives us our numerator of 7. Therefore, the fraction we would use to represent this figure is 7/8. Let's also review what multiplying fractions by whole numbers looks like. In this picture, you see that we have 4 circles completely shaded in with green, giving us a whole number of 4. But we want to find out what 1/3 of 4 is going to look like. So in order to do that, we would shade in only 1/3 of each of these 4 holes. If we combine those thirds, we will then find our answer. And we would find that 1/3 of 4 actually equals 1 and 1/3. What does it look like when we multiply fractions by fractions? Well, let's take a look at that. Yesterday was Megan's birthday. Her friends ate most of the birthday cake, leaving only 1/6 of the cake left. After school today, Megan came home and ate 1/4 of the remaining cake. How much of the entire cake did Megan eat today? I have shaded in 1/6 of the cake in blue below. And our goal is now to find out what is 1/4 of 1/6. In order to do that, I'm going to divide the 1/6 of the cake that's left into 4 equal sections. Each one of these represents 1/4. And I know that this is the amount that Megan ate today. However, I have to find out how much of the entire cake she ate, so I would have to divide the entire cake into 4ths. And that will tell me how many equal pieces I now have. So, she ate 1 of those pieces, but now, instead of the cake being broken into 6ths, it's broken into 24ths. So the amount of cake that Megan ate today is 1/24. What does that look like procedurally? So we had our problem. We were trying to find out what is 1/4 of 1/6. Well, when multiplying fractions, it's actually a pretty simple operation. We multiply straight across. So we are going to multiply our numerators by our numerators, and we're going to multiply our denominators by our denominators, and we will get our answer. 1 times 1 equals 1. And 4 times 6 equals 24. Therefore, our answer is 1/24. Megan ate 1/24 of her cake today. Let's try another problem. Ben lost half of his marker pack on the way to school. He then shared 1/3 of the markers he had left with a friend. How much of the marker pack did Ben give away? Below, you will see that I have shaded in 1/2 of a marker pack to represent the amount of the marker pack that Ben lost on the way to school and the amount that he has left. Our challenge is to find out if he gave away 1/3 of what was left. We need to find out what is 1/3 of 1/2. We can do this by dividing the marker pack into thirds. And since he gave away 1 of these sections, we know that he gave away 1/6 of the marker pack. If we wanted to do this procedurally, we would multiply our numerators, 1 times 1, and then multiply our denominators, 3 times 2, and we would get our answer and find out that Ben had given away 1/6 of the marker pack. In this lesson, you have learned how to multiply fractions by fractions.